you doing?
What is on for that? Yeah, we've been waiting for 2 hours now.
What time the bus definitely?
At 7:30.
Well, now, 5 o'clock.
Oh my god, not already on the bus. Man, I wish we were at the bus stop very early.
Is it time today?
I feel spectacular today
Where is that?
because today I successfully passed the IELTS test and get to study abroad at Oxford University. Here, look.
Hello, is
Thanks, buddy. Hey guys, what are you doing?
Then is everything good? Is it?
Wow, not amazing. And congratulations. Thanks, dude. Hi, Mulan. Where are you doing? Hey guys, I'm going to participate in the football championship. Good luck. Good luck, my friend. Okay, thanks guys. Nah.